Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the 45 HR building. That's it straight ahead and it's located at 45 Hope Road. Now this is a 10-floor building with over 5,000 square feet. Very nicely done, and it should be finished. Well, major construction is finished, it's just the build out of the inside now. Now this building was a lot of discussion was made about this building because it overlooks Jamaica House, and a lot of people were saying from a security point of view, no, a building this tall should not have been built across from Jamaica House. However, the government has rented this building, the entire building, and they haven't made public yet which government agency or entity or maybe even ministry is going to occupy this building. No sign has gone up yet, but the government announced that they were renting the entire 10 floors. So we'll keep you guys updated as to what government entity is renting this building. And if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.